Good afternoon, Sam. Sam from Microllistic. I must admit, we do know you. We do know of Microllistic because we use your WMS in our system, in our warehouse, and it's been absolutely fantastic. But just for our listeners and viewers now, just if you could just give us a bit of a brief of Microllistic, the company size and the countries you operate in, and a little bit about the WMS, the fantastic WMS that you operate.
Certainly. Thanks, Albert. So Microllistics is a 32-year-old business that's based out of Melbourne, but now operating in, I think, 4 continents globally and spreading through our acquisition by WiseTech Global a few years ago. So starting to spread our wings. But, I mean, the core of the business has always been about tracking traceability and labour process improvements in the warehouse. So still staying back with our consulting roots in the early days where we go through, map out all of the processes in the warehouse, make sure we can make them as efficient as possible, put that into the system, and also the integrations and everything that sits around that. So whether that's ERPs, web fronts, or carriers and transport systems on the back end.
Yeah, no, that's great. And what are the most common things being asked from customers? Like we did a number of integrations with you, which certainly automates the whole system and just takes that manual process out. But what are some of the new innovations and some of the biggest demands or things that customers are asking for?
Yeah, that's still pretty broad because we still operate with, we've got smaller clients with 5 to 10 users, and we've now got bigger sites across Asia with Linfox, which are 500 and 750 people on voice devices. But I suppose the most exciting things are, integrating to new platforms, but also integrating and combining our powers with automation. Yeah. So AMRs and AGVs and voice and that sort of thing, where you can really start to accelerate the labour efficiencies. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Look, thank you very much, Sam. That was very interesting, and good luck with the rest of the Megtrans show. And I know you've had a lot of inquiries, so well done to you and your team.
Thanks, Albert. You too. Have a good show.